Hi St Martins, this is Mrs Ford here, and I've been asked to do the Friday Family Fun Maths video to think of ways you can learn your mastery of maths facts. So I was just having a look around my house and I was thinking, what do I have lots of in my house? I really do have a lot of Lego. Now this is only one tiny section of the Lego that's in my house. There's a lot more. This is only one of the rooms in my house. So how can this help us to learn our mastery of maths facts, I wonder? So I went off to have a little think. So I was thinking, St Martins, of finding different Lego blocks. And I was thinking, oh, you could count these circles on the top of the Lego bricks and you could actually be learning some of your mastery of maths facts. So for example, this shows the beginning of your 2 times table. So I've got 1 times 2 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, 3 times 2 equals 6. So that was quite easy, wasn't it? If you can find enough of the same bricks. How about different times tables then? Well, I had a look and I found some of these pieces with 4. So let's see if we can have a go at using some Lego bricks to do our 4 times table. That shows 1 times 4 is 4, and then we've got 2 times 4. Well, you can count them if you're not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 times. Why have I jumped? I've jumped up. This wasn't very good preparation, was it, St Martins? Here we go. So 3 times 4. Well, hopefully if you're learning it, you know, but otherwise you could count. You could count 4, 8, 12. Let's have a look. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 4, and you can keep on going. So we can use these bricks to learn our 4 times table. I also found some other bricks. I found these shaped bricks. These are 6s. So I could be doing my 6s, or even when I had a really good look, I found some bricks here to do my 8s. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. And so on and so on. 3 times 8, 4 times 8, 5 times 8. What you could do is you could show them all around like this. 4 times 8 is 32. 1 times 8 over here is 8. 2 times 8 is 16 here. 3 times 8 over here, 24. There we go. Then I started having some fun with minifigures, St Martins. So can you see what I've been doing here with the minifigures? This is just my 1 times table. But you could use these to learn your 10 times table. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 10 is 50. Then I started having more fun with my minifigures and I thought, what about if they're in pairs? So 1 times 2 is 2 here. And then I've got 2 times 2 is 4 here. More minifigures here. We do have a lot of Lego in my house. 3 times 2 is 6 here. Then I started to think, oh, maybe I could do my 3s. So here's my 3s here. Here's 3 minifigures together. So I've got my 1 times 3 is 3. I've got 6 of them there. Look at that motley crew. So 2 times 3, I'm showing there, is 6. And then I got them in 3, 6, 9. So I'm counting in 3s to show my 3 times table. I wonder if you, whichever multiplication table you are learning, I've got enough minifigures to try and show some of the facts that you're learning for your Mastery of Maths facts. Have a go. I would love to see photos of what you've managed to do with your Lego. So St Martin's, so far I've done some of the more simple facts. And I was thinking, well, for the more tricky times tables, what could I use? So, I mean, if you can find any of these would still represent your 2 times table. This will be good for your 4 times table. And also I love the fact it's a square. It shows you that it's a square number. I know that you've been thinking about arrays with Mrs. Freeman. I know Mrs. Emily's been thinking about those. So that's really good that you can see the 4 times 4 clearly there. But then if you can find any bigger pieces, look, this one's actually got 4 times by 6. So this one would help you to learn your 6 times table, as would this one. This one's actually 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Again, you can see it's a square, and that shows you 6 times 6 is 36. This one over here shows your 8 times table. 2 times 8 is 16, and it's got 2 rows of 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So I can check that my fact is indeed right. I found one over here that would be your 12 times table. This one is 4 times 12 over here. 8 times 6 here, 4 times 8 here. Now, something I would like you to do, especially if you're in upper key stage 2, if you're in years 4, 5 or 6, or even in year 3, I wonder if you can think of any mega or mini facts. So, for example, a mini fact for this one, 4 times 8 is 32. You could do a mini fact. If I know that 4 times 8 is 32, I also know that 0.4 times 8 equals 3.2. So I've done a mini fact. I wonder if I could do a mega fact. About 40 times 8 would give me 320. So from knowing, from my Lego piece here, from knowing that 4 times 8 is 32, I could do a mini fact and a mega fact. That really shows that I really know my times tables really well. You can also do divisions from these as well. You could write all of your divisions. So if I know that 6 times 4 is 24, I also know 4 times 6 is 24. I also know 24 divided by 4 is 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. What about some more of those mini and mega facts? What about if I go over here? What about if I said 0.8 times by 6? I wonder if you can work out the answer. Well, I've gone 1 place smaller here, so I've got to go 1 place smaller here. I know that if 8 times 6 is 48, I know that 0.8 times 6. And I'm getting that from my Lego. 60. That must be 480. So just have a look and see if you can achieve this at home. Just have a look at all the different Lego things that I have done. And see if you can send me in how you have used Lego to help you to learn your Mastery of Maths facts. Okay? Good luck, St Martin's.